Hello everyone. So now our today's topic is all about HTML quotations. Okay, so we are obviously using the same file and we are going to do modification in the same file. So first we will start with the Q. It is if you have a one line quotation, like if you want that double quotation mark just for the one line, then you can use this Q, that is that stands for actually quotation. The next thing is the abbreviation. Suppose if you have a short form like WHO and the full form is World Health Organization, like HTML, full form is Hypertext Markup Language. Suppose ATM, that ATM machine. Okay, so likewise, if you have something in the short form, okay, and you know that full form of that particular word, okay, then you can use this abbreviation, that is abbreviation, and you assign one title whatever is the full form of that word. Here it is World Health Organization for WHO. Okay, so the line which will come on the output screen will be the, that is it will start from here, then who was founded in what 1942, and based on my mouse cursor it will give me the full form of that WHO, which is World Health Organization. Then we can have a block quotation or block quote. Like if you have a multiple lines or poems or some songs or something like that, and you want in the proper format, then you can use the block quotation if it is multiple lines. Then cite or citation, you can say, like you want to give a movie name, like a song name or a poem name, or maybe any painting, if you want to assign any name, if it is any book you want to assign any name, then you can use this cite. Okay, and last one, it is BDO, that is bi-directional override. Okay, so this line will be written from right to left. So we'll check the output of all this. Control S. Okay, and this is our previous video output, so we'll just click on this refresh button. See, build a future with the quotation mark, you all can see, and WHO it is showing dot 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 because based on my mouse cursor it will give me the full form. This is block quotation, proper block quotation, and this is the this name like site which is coming in the form of italic actually, and this is from bidirectional override from this line will, and it is starting from right to left. So this is all about HTML quotations. Thank you everyone.